Hey guys, so welcome once again back to my channel. After like 3 years of not being on camera, it kind of feels weird talking to the camera again, but here I am doing my hobby once again. I love doing anything related to makeup, just learning about makeup or just doing makeup on people. I really like doing that, but just like a hobby. I stopped doing it for such a long time. I'll have a video on why, but it's been 3 years since I haven't uploaded. I am glad I am 60 pounds lighter. You guys didn't see how I gained so much weight afterwards after I stopped making videos, but I gained a lot. And now I'm 60 pounds lighter. I'm happy to be back doing videos. And on my first video, I just want to show you guys my everyday makeup look. It makes me feel pretty, makes me feel fresh, ready for the summer. And you guys want to see how I got this look. It's super pretty. Let me do an upload close up, and there you go. So it's super fresh. I don't know if you guys could see. And the highlight, I love my eyelashes right now. And yeah, I'm just gonna be basically showing you guys how to get this makeup look. So you guys want to keep on watching? Stay tuned.
So the first step would be grabbing your primer of your choice. I already put my primer. Now I'm going to be grabbing the best concealer you guys could find, which is the Shape Tape Tarte Concealer. I'm using the shade Light Medium. I'm just literally going to place this all over acne scars, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, you name it. This thing will cover up. After I put it in all those places, I would just blend it out with a sponge. So the next step would be grabbing my YSL pen, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes. This is a pen to brighten up. I love this. I have been buying it for 2 years now. It is expensive, but worth the price. I do put it a lot, but I mean, you could use a little bit. I just like making my eye look wide awake so my dark circles don't show through, but once again, you could use a little bit under the eye and just blend it out. Now I'm grabbing my foundation from Cover FX in the shade N40. I love this foundation, especially if you have oily skin. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my sponge and just blend it out all over my face and down my neck. This foundation is worth $40 because it keeps your makeup all day long. Then I'm going to be grabbing my Mineral Veil from Hourglass. I love this powder because it's really fine. And when you put it under your eyes, it just blurs out all your fine lines. I start putting this when I start doing my makeup, so by the time I'm done, all my fine lines are blurred out. I love this thing, seriously guys. The next step I like to do is set my foundation with the powder. You could use a translucent powder or you could use a color foundation powder. In this case, I'll be using a foundation powder, and this is from Tarte in the light medium neutral shade. I like to set my foundation because it makes your foundation last longer than if you wouldn't set it, but that's just a tip that I like taking on myself. The next step would be bronzing up my face. I'm grabbing the Hourglass palette. I think I've been using just Hourglass in this video. That's what I have, but anyways, we're going to bronze up your whole face. I usually do my nose, I do my cheeks, I do my jawline. Everywhere, guys, everywhere where the sun would hit, literally all over the face. Let's just get that all over the face, get that summer look. Now with that same palette, I'm going to be using the pink color, the blush, to blush up my cheeks and just make that natural blushy look. And yeah, just go ahead and grab and blush, blush, blush. The next step will be grabbing my Peach Puff from Too Faced. I love this lip product. I've been buying it. This is probably my third time buying this lip product, and I'm using the color Velvet Rope. This is a really natural lip color. You could build it up, you can make it really dark, or you could blend it out. In my case, I like to put a little bit and just make it as natural as possible. And yeah, and I'm just gonna blot it out later with the napkin, but I love this color. It's so pretty and so natural. I'm just going to top it off with a lip gloss from Fenty Beauty, and this is, I think, called Sugar Bomb. I'm going to be grabbing my mascara from Benefit. They're called They're Real, and you guys will see how my eyelashes end after this video. I love this mascara. It just your whole eyelashes and it gives you a lot of volume. So we'll go ahead and do that for our last step.
So that was my everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. It's super simple, but I just wanted to show you guys what I wear all the time. I have so much makeup, but I'm always wearing the same makeup look, and I just feel, because I love it, like it looks so fresh, so pretty. I love it, and I'm really glad to be back doing my hobby. I love anything with makeup. I love makeup. I love watching videos. I love learning about makeup, but it's just my hobby once again. Also, with all the things happening in the pandemic, I just want to say we have to be positive. We have to have faith. Everything will pass. This is not going to last forever. We have to be strong. We have to love people more. And yeah, I think this pandemic has taught everyone a life lesson. Me was to love my family more, love people more, and just appreciate small things. So once again, I'm going to be uploading more videos, not just on makeup, on fitness, how I lost 60 pounds. I'm going to be doing nutrition. I'm going to be doing so many things. So if you guys want to see them, just subscribe, and yeah, just keep on watching my next videos. And thank you guys so much again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.